Hey guys, I am Aniket, and today we are going to talk about how to show multiple variant images on your Shopify product page. Like this, you can see here how it works. First, you want to go to your Shopify admin, then open that product and select images for that product. Like I selected here, you can see how it looks. Then click on the Done button, and you'll see your images have been added. After that, look at the color variant value. Then click on the image, find the alt text field, and change the alt text value to something like #color_variant name. You can see here my variant name is bronze, and I have set the alt text to #color_bronze. And then click on Save. Set the alt text value to the variant name for each variant image. Do this one by one for each variant image. Now, if your variant name has 2 words, here's how you can set the alt text value for that variant image. Like I have a variant named light green, then I can't set the alt text as #color_light_green. Now you can see I have set all the image alt values, so let's check this on the front end. It is working great, as you can see multiple variant images show up when that variant is selected. I did this in a trade theme using custom code for my client. If you want to add this feature to your free theme, contact me for more information. Please check the description. Thanks for watching, and if this video is useful for you, then please subscribe to this channel.